Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to sync videos with music. Now let's begin. First of all, I'm simply gonna add an audio file. It can be any audio file. Right now I'm gonna select this audio file that is provided by CapCut. You can also import your own audio file from right here. Well, to sync a video with some music, first of all I need to add beats. Simply click on this audio file. And on the snap bar, you will find something like auto beat. Let's click on it. Well, there is option of beat 1 and beat 2. It's up to you. I'm gonna select beat 2. It is not what I was looking for, so let's again go to beat 1. And this is something that I wished for. Now let's try to add some videos. You can add your own custom videos, but for now, I'm gonna use these videos provided by CapCut. I'm gonna input this right here and drag it to the beat. I'm going to drag it to the exact point of the beat. Now I'm going to add another video. The same process. Another one. For now, I'm simply going to look at the results. Let's look at it. And that's it, guys. That's how you sync a video to an audio file. You can do the same for your custom videos and custom audios. Do remember to use this beat feature and mark your videos to the beats. Hope you guys like this video, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.